traditional musical instruments, the physical parameters of the instrument dictate the gesture employed by the musician. After a certain level of skill is attained on the instrument, the musician could then imbue the gesture with emotion, which would either have a tangible effect on the tone of the instrument, a visual effect on the audience, a psychological effect on the musician, or a combination of the three. In music made with digital gesture tracking to electronic synthesis, much of the learned skill and all of the physical feedback has been removed from the musical gesture. As an experiment in returning this gestural affectivity, this project uses visual cues as a replacement for physical cues. Further, the gestural cues are not simply activating an instrument on a note-for-note basis, but instead allowing the user to explore the parameters of a simple algorithmic composition. This allows even non-musicians to experiment with gesture and the mode of relationship in an analogous way to a learned musician on their instrument, feeling how the location, speed, and size of the gesture has a tangible effect on the musical output. As the system is expanded and the composition is elaborated, it will present a low-floor, high-ceiling learning situation where simple gestures have broad, noticeable but low-level effects on the composition, and increasingly complex combinations of gestures reveal more options and paths in the algorithm, thus giving the user a similar satisfaction to that of a musician as they master a particular passage or a set of chord changes, the feeling of musical catharsis.